you're a bad bird. Just a bad, bad bird. Oh, bad bird.
Petri, what's going on over here? You're looking into the mirror. What are you saying to yourself?
I said I'm a bad bird. Terrible. Oh, no.
Petri, you're saying these kind of negative things against yourself. What's going on?
I don't know. I'm just not feeling it today, and I've started to be more emotional. I started talking bad about myself.
Ooh, negative self-talk is kind of bad. You gotta try to figure out what's going on. Can we start with you? First of all, how do you feel?
I feel sad.
Okay, so first of all, the emotion is you feel sad. And then what?
And it's not my fault.
Oh, Petri, you know what? It might be your fault, but it might not. Let's look at things a little bit logically so it's not so emotional, okay? Why are you feeling sad?
I can't find my acorns.
You can't find them.
Nope, I hid them away for winter and I looked everywhere and I can't find them. I'm bad. Oh no.
Hey, I'm going to help you out with this one. Just so you know, everybody loses things sometimes. So, another thing is, you can ask for help to try to find it.
Okay, but...
All right, let's talk about that negative self-talk thing. We need to think about, is that too big of a response for just losing your acorns? Losing your acorns does not equal you're bad. It just means we can't find your acorns. Because then what happens when we find your acorns? Does it mean you're still bad?
Oh, maybe not. Maybe I was overgeneralizing things.
That's right, which is another way to say I made it a bigger issue than it really was. So step one, we need to find your acorns. But let's talk more about you. Do you know that you're good enough and smart enough and gosh darn it, people like you?
What?
That's something that somebody said a long time ago. And he would look in the mirror and say, you're good enough, you're smart enough, and gosh darn it, people like you.
What kind of talk is that?
Well, it's just positive self-talk. It just basically says you're good enough, you're smart enough, and honestly, that helps you kind of realize I can figure this out. It's a little bit of a boost, like a confidence boost.
I kind of need that. Okay, let me try. You're good enough. You're smart enough. And gosh darn it, yes, some really cool wings. And people like you.
All right, you added in another compliment to yourself. That's good. It's a way to start talking more about that. Should we go look for those acorns and see what we can do to help find them?
Yes, I'm starting to miss them really bad.
Well, you know what? You can miss them really bad, but you are definitely not very bad. You are one of my favorite friends.
Oh, really?
It's true. Let's go find those acorns, and that'll help you feel better, I bet.
Okay, let's do it. Bye, I'm gonna find my acorns.